How to change Messenger time zone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change Messenger time zone. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how we can change the Messenger time zone. So let's just dive right into the video. So first thing is opening up your Facebook. You can log in into your Facebook account. After that, you can go ahead and click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you need to go to this personal information section. So from the settings and privacy menu, you can find this option called your time on Facebook. After that, you can find this options where you can manage your time. You can use this option called See Tools and tap on it and go on with the process. Follow the on-screen prompts, the study time reminder, and different options are available here. We can also see time. So you can use these options if you wanna change the Messenger time zone. Along with that, when you do it on Facebook, it will also change it on Messenger. So that is how you do it. Following up this method, you can change up the Messenger time zone. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.